Hey everybody, it's Ms. Engelson with Engelese, and today we are going to play the slow-mo word game, where I say a word very slowly, as if I'm in slow motion, and you have to decide what I'm saying. This game helps us hear the different sounds and words and blend them together, which is going to help make you an even better reader. You're going to need the worksheet, which is linked down below, or found in your workbook, and a pencil. Today's words are all about the upcoming holiday, Halloween. Get ready, here we go. The first word is ghost. Draw a line between number 1 and the picture of the ghost. Oh my gosh, I thought I just saw one. A ghost. Number 2, at. Draw a line between the number 2 and the at. Bat. Number 3 is the word treat. Hoping for some of these. Treat. The word is treat. And my favorite treat is chocolate. So if you have any extra on Halloween, feel free to send it my way. Number 4 is the word broom. Broom. Draw a line to the picture of the broom. If you picked broom, you are correct. Number 5 is the word witch. Witch. Oh my goodness. The word was witch. Number 6 is the word at. At. If you drew a line to the picture of the hat, you are correct. Number 7 sounds similar, so really listen. At. At. Cat. Good job. Last one is the word web. Draw a line to the picture of the web. Web. Oh, ugh. Thank you so much for playing with me and helping your brain grow to be an even better reader. You can play this game when you are walking down the street, when you're at the store, when you're getting ready to go trick-or-treating. All you need is a friend or loved adult to think of an object in the world around you, anything you see, and try to say it so slowly with every sound and see if they can guess what you're saying. You can find more reading activities with Reading Made Simple with Engelese down in the description box below. See you later.